Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. One of my Vlogmas videos was a Jeffree Star Cosmetics unboxing. It wasn't even a planned Vlogmas video. I was actually going to be doing a vlog like shopping with me, and I couldn't get the footage from my phone to the computer then, so I had to make do. I wasn't planning on doing that video. I was just ordering that stuff for Black Friday because I wanted it, and then you guys liked it, and I actually got some more stuff from the 12 Days of JSC sale. Yes, this does include mystery gifts. So I've got 3 boxes. I'm going to be doing 2 today because I'm waiting for the 3rd one to come in, but I want to open these very badly, and there's a lot of stuff. I just dropped the dagger. Ugh. I'm going to open these, and I ordered the stocking and the mystery gift in each order that I put in. So I'm going to be able to immediately tell what I ordered and what's the mystery gift. And I'm going to open these so that you guys can't see my address. So this first box came in and it's pink, and it made me wonder if maybe, like, could you imagine if one of the mystery gifts was like the pink religion palette? Is that what the pink one's called? I don't know. I'm going to show you guys first. Beauty Killer 2. What? I like how the paper's pink. We're gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna be like a surprise to myself. No, I'm just kidding. That makes it so y'all can't see. I'm gonna set it on top of the other box here. Let's just throw all this wrapping tape over here. This is Christmas to myself. Let's see. So what is this? This is a Skin Frost. This is the okay, just kidding. This is the second one I've ever owned. Back in the day, I ordered a Halloween mystery box, and there was like an orange one with black specks, and I gave it to one of my friends, but actually these ones sell for $12 each, so I got 2 in here. So this is in the color Peach Goddess. Open this up. Oh man. Oh, so big. Like, it's like huge. Oh, cute. Yeah. That is gonna look cute. And then this is something. I feel like this might be a mystery gift. I don't know if I ordered something in this shape in this package. Oh, okay. So one of my mystery gifts is a strawberry water. I should probably look and see what I ordered first. This is one of my mystery gifts. So I got a strawberry water facial toner. Oh, I cannot believe it. The Jawbreaker palette. This was on sale for $12, and it's just got a lot of colors in it, so I was like, I've been buying a lot of nude palettes lately, so I wanted some color in my life. Yep. Oh, this is actually very nice, and I think this is what the sister to like the cremated palette. I've got the cremated palette. These are very nice colors. Oh, this blue. Do you see? Oh man, look at that. Oh, I accidentally scratched one of the shades. Oh, I like this bubblegum shade too. And so I got that. And then here is the other Skin Frost. This one is ice cold. I was very excited for this one because it's like, oh, frosty. It looks very yellow in person. Should I have swatched these? Okay, here's ice cold. Oh yeah, that's a very white. I'm gonna swatch that. I'm gonna swatch this Peach Goddess one. I'm so excited to open the stuff that I'm not even like looking at it. Oh yeah, that's a very like rose gold. I like that. I've been using the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter for a really long time, so I don't know. I was just like, I need to get some more highlighters. This must be my last. This must be my mystery gift. I think this is a makeup bag? What is this? It's cute, whatever it is. Cosmetic bag. Oh my god, I actually like this a lot. It's cute. Oh, I've already got stuff all over it. I like that it's black. That is very me. Like, if any other color was sent, I would be like... And then does it come out? It's very like narrow, but I feel like if you had like a big purse, this would look really good down in it. This is the texture and stuff, the quality feels good, and I like the logo. I like this. I like this a lot. My mystery gifts in this one were a makeup bag and a strawberry water toner. I can't wait to try the toner out because I really do need to get into skincare more. The pink threw me off. And like I thought I might have gotten something from the Pink Religion, and then it said Beauty Killer, and I was like, the next box is really big. Hopefully I can get out the packing label first. I'm just having a hard time getting this open. So another thing for the Psychedelic Circus. The paper for this one is also that Pink Religion-y gift. Let me try to find the packing label. I see a bunch of stuff on top that's not the packing label. I just saw one of my mystery gifts and it's something that I already have. Anyway. I can't find the packing label and alright. Ooh. So these were $4. $4 for 2 of them. What are they, you might be wondering? They're to put liquid lipsticks on. I love how it's packaged to like sit on top of each other like this, and then they can sit like next to you. So I've got a lot of liquid lipsticks because I have a problem, and I saw that these were $4, so I was like, heck yeah, I'm getting them. I'm gonna put them somewhere. So yeah, these are gonna hold a lot of lipsticks. What is that, 5 times 4? That's what, 20 a piece? I think this is the one I saw. Yeah, I already have this. This is one of my mystery gifts. I got a cremated palette. I love this palette. I do love this palette, but I do already own it. So I'm gonna message one of my friends and see if she has it, and if she doesn't, maybe I'll see if she wants this. Oh, keeper. Oh, that was bubble wrap. I'm playing with that later. Alright, this was $12. And I remember when this came out and I wasn't that interested in it because I wasn't wearing like a lot of nude shades, and now I do. So I was like, I think $12. Oh. This is very nice, actually. I like how there's like a lot of warm and cool tones in it too. It's like a peachy color. This is a really good neutral matte palette. Grab this. Ooh, okay. This is okay. I got that this mascara not too long ago, which I think it went on sale for $12 and I paid $23 for it. But it's fine. Everything's fine. So I got this one. This is the Jeffree Star approved version. So someone commented that the other one was a tubing mascara. This might be too, I don't know. But the wand is like, the other one is more straight, and I think this one's more like round, and I don't know if they have the same formula or if it's just like the wand shape, but I was like, shoot, you can't have too many mascaras, you know? Here's something that I ordered. It was on sale. This was a mirror. I saw they had a purple one, and I was like, now purple we can get behind. Oh. My bangs keep touching my lashes and like getting in the lash glue and like pulling them up, so we're just gonna pretend that that's not happening. But yeah, here's the purple glitter hand mirror, I think. It very much reminds me of Spyro. This is like the shade that Spyro is. So, I like how the packing label's at the bottom. Am I missing something? I think I'm Wait, I think I've found one. I was gonna say, I got the cremated palette. I think I just found my other mystery item. Let's see what this is. Looks like, okay, it's a velour liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Red Rum. I don't think I'm gonna wear this, but yeah. So, the cremated palette, that's a good mystery item. I think the makeup bag and that are my favorite, even though I already have this. Like, I literally love this palette. The next clip you guys will see me in, I'm gonna do the third box that I got, that hasn't come in yet. It's shipped on Tuesday and it's Friday, so I don't know when it's actually going to get to me, but anyway, you guys will see me in a second, but really it'll be in a couple of days. So it has been a week since you guys have seen me. I've been waiting for this package to come in, so this video is going up a lot later than I wanted it to, but it was stuck in California for several days, probably because of the winter storm, unsure. But here's the box we've got. If anyone was wondering where my hat is from, it's from Witchwood Bags on Instagram. So I know for a fact that in this box is I think there's a periwinkle mascara and the setting powder. It's like a luminous setting powder. So there's like this. We've got some wrapping paper. Oh, yes, right. And also I have got a highlighter. This one is in Siberian Gold, which I'm wearing the ice cold one. You can see that. So we've got this out first. This is that Siberian Gold, and I see in the box it looks like it's come loose. I'm actually scared to open this. Oh my god. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm pretty sure there's a way that I can press this all back. We're off to a great start on the third one, aren't we? So I'm gonna lay this off to the side, and I remember back in the day, there was something you could drop down in products to like mash it back together, so I'm gonna have to look into that, or if you guys know off the top of your head, I don't know, I might have figured it out by then. And I also have two mystery products in here. I think this is the mascara. Yeah, this is the mascara. This is in Periwinkle Sprinkle, so it's like a cute like lavendery periwinkle shade. Cute. That's gonna look really cute on like the bottom lashes. I think this is the setting powder. I used to get the matte setting powder in Rose, and they didn't have that, but they had the luminous setting powder. So I'm pretty excited to try this one. I remember it having like a cotton candy scent, so I don't know if the luminous one's the same. I've never tried this. I just thought it would be cool to have because all the setting powders I have are really matte, so I was like, a luminous one sounds fun. It sounds like a good time. I'm trying to, like, I'm looking at the viewfinder, and I'm not meaning to. I'm trying not to like spoil myself, like, when I'm opening this stuff. I think this is actually a mystery item. I don't think I got anything of this size. Oh, just kidding. I did. This is the highlighter in Gag Me. Oh, I didn't swatch that Siberian Gold. Let's do that real quick, and we'll actually, I can probably swatch enough off of the container to make like a full, yeah. So there's Siberian Gold. I feel like I'm farther away than I was in the last one. And then I've got one of the highlighters. These are the I don't remember. Oh, it was insecure. It was just chilling there. This is the Extreme Frost. So I've got one that's purple. Let me get that one. I'll swatch the purple one. This one's like blue. I'm gonna swatch these next to each other because that just sounds like a good idea to me. This one is Choking on Ice. It's like purpley. I don't think I got enough. So there's the purple one. And then the new one I got is like a blue reflective, and it is Gag Me. Oh my god. It looks so like iridescent. Can you guys try and get the camera focus? It's focusing on my face. Actually, very cute. Yes. I don't know. Everything else might be mystery stuff. I don't actually really remember what all I got. This is a little square box. Small. What's this? This is an eye gloss powder in Christmas tree bling. This has to be a mystery gift. I don't remember getting this. I also don't know how to open it. It's like taped shut. So good. We're just gonna have to rip the box to open it and hope that it's a color that I like. Oh, the packaging inside was like a peppermint kind of. Bean's off in the floor playing with the. It's like a green. So what is. Alright. It says Christmas tree bling eye gloss powder. What is eye gloss powder? When you open it up, there's like a little thing in here to protect it. It probably keeps it pressed down in there. I don't know why I like had the urge to smell it. What do we got here? Oh my god, it's like creamy. Look at that. What a green. That is gonna make for a cute St. Patrick's Day look, I think. That was one of our little mystery things. I like it. A little green. And it looks like our last mystery gift is a mirror. So, I just saw the color on the side. It said pink sickle. That was just my makeup brushes. Everything's fine. I think it's the one that was like pink and it had like an ice cream cone handle. Oh, it's not. It's this. I think I will be selling this on eBay. I don't know. I'm not really in my pink phase anymore. Cool deal. So that is everything we got officially in our 12 days of JSC. Most of the stuff was on a good sale. I'm pretty excited about the Gag Me powder because I've got this one, so now I've got 2 of these, and these are regular $50, and I'm just not paying that for this. I'm sorry, I'm not. And then I paid, this wasn't on sale, I paid full price for the setting powder. I am very bummed about this Skin Frost, but that's the only thing that really came like really bad, so I'll just, there's a couple drops of like some type of alcohol you can put in stuff to like repress them down. I need to do some more research and then I'll just fix that. Everything's fine. It's fine. Thank you so much for watching. Anyway, have a great rest of your day and I will catch you later. Goodbye.